What's up guys, Jesse here from JP Modified. This week's build is a client build that's themed after the Stormtrooper. Let's get right to it and hope you enjoy the video.
Letting go, times we might feel compelled. Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for. Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. For all you Star Wars fans out there and want to start building your own Star Wars themed rig, go ahead and get started. To all the people who want to start modding, I have a couple of messages for you. Just mod for the passion, okay? Don't mod for anything else. It's okay if you make a substandard build the first time. You are naturally gonna get better on your own, alright? Don't lose your hair over, you know, thinking that, oh man, my build sucks, people are gonna hate it. It doesn't matter, okay? Because you are naturally gonna get better as you progress, like a runner. You know, if it's the first marathon or if it's the first triathlon you've ever raced, you're gonna probably finish in longer time period than others. But as you keep joining marathons or races, your time will improve. All right, so don't worry, it's natural. It'll be unnatural if you're gonna get worse. Okay, so you're only gonna get better. Keep doing what you're doing. Anywho, the website's up and running. All right, so we launched it, I think, a few days ago. It still needs a little bit ironing out, but it's officially out there now. We still need to, you know, put in more content to it, but at least it's already there. Okay, so again, we start small. We, you know, aim to grow. All right, the website will contain like links to previous videos I had, some DIY articles, pictures of my builds. So I'm also looking to put in pictures of readers' rigs, or, you know, the rigs of the people who follow my channel and, you know, got tips from whatever video I put out. All right, there are also going to be reviews and a lot of product showcases that I'm planning to put on there. So go check it out. Also, I would like to inform you guys that I'm gonna start putting in specs on the description. So if any of you guys want to purchase whatever specs that I put on that, you know, on that specific video, you can just go head on over to the link at Amazon. We get a small kickback from it. It helps support the channel, it helps support the website, and everything basically that I'm doing. Although I would like to focus on the art form of modding, not the parts, a lot of you guys are really interested in knowing what the specs are. So I'm putting it in the description down below. If you're interested, if you want a good deal or something, some of the parts may be a little bit outdated, but then you could get a good deal out of it from Amazon. So you might want to go hop over there and check it out. Well, anyways, see you guys next week. I'll be back with a midweek that's a little bit, you know, further in the week than midweek, but, you know, I'm still gonna continue the vlogging and the regular programming such as this one. I decided to, you know, keep doing the vlogging thing, and I promise to improve the shakiness of the camera. Yes, I read that comment, or those comments. Thank you. We only aim to improve. Now, the reason why I put the vlogs there is so you guys at least would have a behind the scenes look at what actually happens with a build that I just put out the week before. And also there will be builds there that I'm not able to put on video that you guys might want to check out. I hope that interests you. Again, I do this for the people who are interested, not for the people who aren't. So the vlogging shall continue. Just here from JP Modified. See you next week.